Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Ramdan. I'm from Group 1. I will present a poster with the title Improving English Skills in the Home Environment. What shall I do to improving English skills in the home environment? The first, have a genuine purpose and motivation for learning and using English. Atau kita harus memiliki tujuan dan motivasi yang tulus untuk belajar dan menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Nah, jadi sebelum kita belajar bahasa Inggris itu, kita tentuin dulu nih apa tujuan kita untuk belajar, sehingga itu akan menjadi pemacu semangat kita untuk terus belajar. So, before we learn English, we first determine what our goals are so that it will be a boost for our enthusiasm to continue learning. The second, as much as possible, read and listen to English that is easy and comfortable for you. Atau sebisa mungkin baca dan dengarkan bahasa Inggris yang mudah dan nyaman untuk kita. Untuk itu, belajar dengan cara membaca teks bahasa Inggris, mendengarkan lagu yang menggunakan lirik dari barat, menonton film dari barat yang kamu suka dengan memperhatikan ucapan. Katanya, setiap waktu luang juga itu efektif untuk meningkatkan kemampuan bahasa Inggris kamu loh. Or learning by reading English subtitles, listening to songs that use Western lyrics, watching Western movies that you like by paying attention to what each word says when free time is also effective for improving your English skills. The third, practice English in deliberate and meaningful ways. Berlatih bahasa Inggris dengan cara yang disengaja dan bermakna. Nah, jadwalkan waktu belajar kamu setiap harinya. Usahakan jangan sampai ada yang terlewat per harinya itu, sehingga itu akan membentuk kebiasaan kamu. Nah, jika sudah terbiasa, maka perlahan kamu pun akan bisa, dan kemampuan bahasa Inggris pun akan semakin meningkat. Schedule your study time every day. Try not to miss anything to study because this will form your habit. If you are used to it, then slowly you will be able to, and your English skills will improve. 4. Communicate and collaborate often with others in person and through media. Atau sering berkomunikasi dan berkolaborasi dengan orang lain secara langsung ataupun melalui media. Communicate directly or through social media to improve your speaking English. Nah, lakukan komunikasi secara langsung atau melalui media sosial untuk melancarkan kemampuan berbicara bahasa Inggris kamu.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will explain about how improve the English environment. Attention please. Keep going, this is an English speaking zone. English in international language, so we must be able to master this language. What else when we travel abroad and talk with outsiders? But English has a number of impacts, whether positive or negative impacts. Positive can follow developments in the world because English is an international language, so we can more easily easily follow the developments in the world by being able to use English. The development of the Indonesian language, which will follow the international trade channel, will be smooth. Negative English Swift Indonesian if people prioritize English. Nowadays, the public uses more English. More students take English courses more than Indonesian. So, from what was explained above me, must just take the positive and use English wisely or the curtain times. Thank you for attention. See you later. Thank you for attention. See you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bila Latifah. I'm from 11 Science 3. I want to presentation about improve English environment. Improve the language in the environment. Okay, I want to explain. First is learning. So the purpose of learning is so that we learn the language better and speak polite word, or we can continue to study it using vocabulary we know. Second is maintain language. So the purpose of maintaining language is that we as humans on this earth must have their respective attitudes. But if you want to make it easier to understand language, that is, we have to maintain the language properly. And the third is association. In our association, we also have to be able to speak well. So if we want the language to be better, then we have to determine association with good people around. And the fourth is familiar to the self. We have to get used to using good language to make it easier to develop language, and get used to it is important. The fifth is reading. By reading, we know more broadly how important it is to develop language, and reading is obligatory. The sixth is listening. By hearing the language in a good language, we can follow it, and it is also easier to pronounce it, because from just hearing sometimes people already understand. The seventh is writing. By writing good words or writing the vocabulary that is around it can also make it easier for us to speak. Last, practice. By practice, using language we can more easily understand, because one word that we know and that practice it will be more to understand.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Artazizana Salim. Here I will explain the poster with the theme of improving English. So here it is written: English is fun. Learn English with fun. Be the learning kind. Reading, learning, listening, be curious. The poster features an English solution segment and in English, which is very important and useful for the future. Thanks, maybe until here. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.